Hello students, we're going to define energy and its importance and implications in our daily society, and of course in Pereira. First, we want to know the main concept, energy, and by energy we are referring to the natural capacity of matter of producing work in form of movement, light or heat. So, what does this basically mean? Every electrical mechanism used for facilitating your life involves energy. Okay, so let's take a look to the many different energy sources in our entire world. There's water, hydroelectrical energy, wind, aerolical energy, the sun, solar energy, nuclear energy, fossil energy, electrical energy, geothermal energy, sound energy, and marine energy. Sadly, the most common types of energy are the ones that contaminate the most, and by this, I'm referring to electrical and fossil energy, used for our homes and our vehicles. Water, sun, and nuclear energy are also commonly used. Electrical energy, together with fossil energy, are the 99.6% most common type in Pereira. This represents a big issue or problem, even more when European countries, according to the BBC network, use fossil and common energy in a 68%. Wind takes approximately the 13% of the most common types of energy. Water takes a 9% and solar energy takes a 9.5%. Countries such as Germany and England are creating and applying legal processes in order to increase the use of water, wind, thermal and sun energies, and avoid contamination. If we are just using the no contaminating as 0.4% of our daily lives, while in other countries it is the 32% of them, this means there's a 8,000% decrease towards the topic in our city. So we get to the second question. What are the factors that affect the change of common energy to renewable energy in Pereira? One of the main points of getting renewable energy in any place is money. Well, it requires complex mechanisms and gigantic systems in order of producing the enough amount of energy for the city. 500,000 people. With a promedio of 2,653 kilovolts per second per person in just 1 year. This means that the renewable energy must produce 1,325 million kilovolts for 1 year at least, without including vehicles and public areas lighting and energy mechanisms. Now, here comes the third question. Where will we locate these machines? That's one of the main problematics because Pereira isn't well distributed. Its rural and urban areas are not well differentiated and windmills require a lot of space. Solar panels can be located horizontally. This means rooftops or any other superficie. But it's not as hard and extravagant as we all believe. There exist a lot of possible viable solutions for Pereira in order to turn this dream into a reality. It will be hard as a long-term result, but it's worth the investment, and according to similar proposals, in the future we will save more money than what we spend it with common electricity. So it will both benefit the city and the citizens. The ideal consists in increasing the predial tax at 30% to a straight 6, 25% to straight 5, 20% to straight 4, 50% to straight 3, and 5% to straight 2. To begin with the massive process. Useful alternatives to this idea is buying individual solar panels or water bodies in order to save money. what we will get from these new alternative energies? First, cleanest energy with no contamination. Second, easy to dismantle, no necessity of keeping its wastes. Third, produces employment by its big demand. 4. It's safe for your health and no risks. 5. Independent, endless source of energy. Anyone, anywhere can use it for free. So, support the cleanest energy ever.